The most beautiful places to visit in Bulgaria. Bulgaria is located in the southeastern Balkans at the crossroads of Europe and Asia. It is one of the oldest countries in Europe, founded in the 7th century. It borders Turkey, Greece, Macedonia, Serbia, Romania, and the Black Sea. And landforms include mountains, plains, and the coastline. Bulgaria is still considered to be off the beaten track for Western tourists, because the country has a bit of everything, and all at very affordable prices. The mountain slopes of Bansko and Pamporovo attract skiers in the winter. And the Black Sea beaches draw the crowds in the summer months, the Black Sea famous coastline. A good place to start is the country's famous beaches, which has long stretches of sandy beaches dotted with hotels, traditional fishing villages and historical sites. Tourists flock to the glitzier resorts of Sunny Beach and Golden Sands. 10 beautiful places in Bulgaria. Koprivshtitsa. A fantastic place to explore in Bulgaria. Located 2 hours east of Sofia. You'll feel that you're being transported back to 1876 when Bulgarians fought against their Ottoman rulers. Inside the colorful houses, representatives of Bulgarian national revival architecture of the 19th century. Local patriots plotted their rebellion leading up to the first shot being fired in the ultimately unsuccessful April uprising. The village is full of memorials and museum houses, displaying ethnographical treasures, old weapons and farm implements, national costumes, artwork, and jewelry. The Evksinograd Residence. The Evksinograd Residence is one of the most romantic buildings in Bulgaria. Located 8 kilometers north of Varna. This 19th century palace was often used as a holiday home for royalty. The building was built after Prince Battenberg visited Varna in 1880, and was impressed by the local nature. The exterior of the mansion is in French style of the 18th century. It is ornate, romantic, and quite beautiful. The interiors are luxurious, with marble fireplaces, French chandeliers, large dining halls, antique furniture, and rare paintings. The grounds surrounding the park are no less impressive. French park architects were designed to lay out the 800-acre park. They planted more than 500 species of flowers in the grounds and greenhouses. A winery was added to the palace in 1891, and still produces excellent wines today. It produces Chardonnay, Riesling, Traminer, Muscato Tonne and Vratsa Muscat wines.
Zarevna is a village in central eastern Bulgaria,
part of Kotel municipality, in Sliven province. The village is set in a small valley at the southern foot of the Eastern Balkan Mountains. Is an architectural reserve of national importance consisting of more than 200 wooden houses from the Bulgarian national revival period 18th and 19th century, and is quickly developing as tourist destination. The village emerged between the 12th and 14th century and grew to become a cultural and handicraft center in the 18th century.
Nesebur, also known as the Pearl of the Black Sea.
The historic town of Nesebur dates back to antiquity, when it was founded as a Thracian settlement known as Menebria. Greeks, Romans, Byzantines, Bulgarians, Crusaders, and Ottomans all took turns fortifying the ancient town and the narrow peninsula on which it is located. Today, a stroll on its cobblestone streets will bring you to remnants 40 brick churches, dating back as far as the 5th century. The beautiful town is such an important site that it's recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site.
Belograd Cheek. An ancient and important beauty spot, and a stunning natural attraction in Bulgaria. Belograd Cheek Fortress is a man-made construction set against a stunning outcrop of rocks. The combination is so unique and picturesque that it seems to have been lifted straight out of a fairy tale. What's even more unique than the fortress is the surrounding countryside. The Belograd Cheek Rocks was named in 2009 as Bulgaria's candidate to be selected as one of the new 7 wonders of nature. Is in stunning arrangement of strange shaped sandstone and conglomerate rock formations. Rila Monastery, the most famous monastery in Bulgaria.
Known as the Jerusalem of Bulgaria, this picturesque Eastern Orthodox monastery is located in the forested mountains less than 2 hours south of Sofia. Is definitely worth a pilgrimage visit. Named for Saint Ivan of Rylsky, the monastery has been built, burnt, and rebuilt over the centuries, with the latest construction dating to the 1800s. Enter the courtyard and you will be stunned by the perfect harmony of the church, with its graceful arches, set under a row of sculpted gargoyles, tiled roofs, and 5 domes reaching towards the sky. In the distance are the peaks of the Rila Mountains, complementing an oasis of serenity perfect for religious hermits and modern visitors alike. Veliko Tarnovo, one of the oldest cities in Bulgaria. Often referred to as the City of the Tsars, Veliko Tarnovo is located next to the Yantra River. This was the historic capital of the Second Bulgarian Empire, between the 12th and 14th centuries. Veliko Tarnovo is located in central Bulgaria, and is a popular tourist attraction. Tsarevets Fortress was where the medieval palaces of the Bulgarian Tsars were located, and they ruled from the hilltop until their defeat by the Ottomans in 1393. Still, one senses Bulgaria's former greatness when walking through the gates of this amazing stronghold. Plovdiv Old Town, a magnificent architectural and historical reserve. Plovdiv, the second largest city in Bulgaria, and has something that Sofia does not, an old town on a hill. The city was founded some 6,000 years ago, and developed on 7 hills. But, one of them was destroyed at the beginning of the 20th century. The Old Town towers over the city center with structures from different eras, including a remarkably well-preserved Roman amphitheater. The Old Town is best known for its Bulgarian Renaissance architectural style, with colorful houses displaying the National Revival's unique exterior characteristics on every corner. Walking up the hill is a delight, with the many galleries and house museums all worth a visit.
Sozopol, a beautiful ancient seaside town.
One of the oldest towns on Bulgaria's Black Sea coastline, Sozopol is a popular fisherman's village and seaside resort. Located 35 kilometers south of Burgas, Sozopol was known in the 6th century BC as Apollonia, complete with a temple dedicated to Apollo. The town is small enough for a casual stroll. The busiest times of the year are the summer months, ranging from May to September, as tourists from around the world come to enjoy the weather, the sandy beaches, history and culture, and atmosphere of the colorful resort. Bulgarian countryside. Bulgaria is a country of roses, but it is also known worldwide for its unique yogurt made from cow milk, for potter's wheels and carpets, its fruits and vegetables, for traditional cookers, and much more. Visit the Bulgarian countryside to personally experience these Bulgarian highlights. Many of small villages and small towns have preserved the unique customs, traditions, culture, and crafts of the interesting past that this country has had. Don't miss the opportunity, you will enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, subscribe to Foreigner BG YouTube channel, and get first our newest content.